What's up, YouTube? My name is Matt, and this is Average Bros Adventures. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Chances are, if you're watching this video right now, you've probably already seen part 1 of my Ryukin Fishing Charters Okinawa video. If you haven't seen that video, then check it out. It's called Ryukin Fishing Charters Okinawa Part 1. I will leave a link to it in the description. In that video, you'll see everything from start to finish, from when we loaded up the boat to catching all the fish and then cleaning it at the end of the day. If you don't want to check out that video, we'll show you a quick recap. Alright, so first I'm going to show you guys some quick footage of the night we actually got back from the charter. Today is the day after, but we're going to go back, we're going to watch some footage of when I got back home to the barracks, that's where I'm at right now, limited supplies. But I'll show you how, once I got the fillets from the deckhands that cleaned it, how I refined the cleaning, we got the skin off, cleaned everything, how we prepared it all, and then I'll show you the Shoyu Poke that I made. And then today in this video, we're gonna make the Spicy Ahi Poke. Next video, we'll make the Mahi Mahi. Alright, welcome back for part 2. I'm now back at the barracks. Time to cut up our fillets, clean them up a little bit. So let me show you what we're working with. Alright, we're gonna take our fillet. Get a nice little peel here so we can take off the skin. Once you get a grip on it, it should rip right off. There we go. Oops, cut that out. Cut that piece of meat. There we go. Nice fat ahi fillet. Let's clean it up. One piece. We'll clean that bloodline up in a minute, get that out of there. There you go. So now I have the pieces I'm going to use for the poke. So I'm going to use the paper towel, dry up the blood, and then cut them into chunks so we can, and then we'll make our sauce. Okay, not bad. Now we're going to cut into our chunks. You can cut them in whatever size you like, however you like your poke. I like mine pretty small. No bigger than that. All right, now that we have our cubes, we can make the sauce. First, true taste test. I can say that is the most freshest ahi I've ever had. Hand caught, no big deal. I don't care. Okay. So first I'll show you guys the ingredients we're gonna use for the spicy poke mix. Of course, you have your fresh ahi that we just caught yesterday, all chopped up into little cubes. I have some chopped up green onions. All this stuff I got just off base, off of Camp Hansen at the, I think it's called like Family Mart or something. I don't know, there's a grocery store like right off base in Kentown, not too far. If you've been here, you're probably familiar with it. We got some chili sauce. I was going to use sriracha, but they did not have that. This was at the store and it's more Japanese, so we're going to use that. Some kikkoman soy sauce. Your standard mayonnaise. No, it is not an instrument. And then, since I'm in the barracks right now, obviously my resources are very limited. I don't have a rice cooker, but we're just going to use some minute rice. White rice. Nothing fancy, not brown rice, just plain white rice. Again, my resources are very limited, so I don't have any measuring cups or any utensils like that. We're just gonna eyeball it. First thing we're gonna do, take our mayonnaise, put that into our mixing bowl. I don't know, about that much. Next, we're gonna take our chili sauce. I'm gonna start off with like a quarter the amount of the mayonnaise, and mix it together, see how it tastes. I don't know how spicy it is. You know what? I'm gonna try it first. Pretty similar to sriracha. Yeah, we'll start with a quarter of that. Quarter of the amount of mayonnaise. It's more like 1/3. So I made enough of the sauce to pretty much generously cover the fish that we're gonna use. So the next thing I'm gonna do is drizzle that sauce onto the ahi. And then we're gonna mix it up. Look like the perfect amount for the amount of fish that I have in this bowl, at least. A little bit much maybe, but the rice will kind of, you know, dry that out. Okay, next I'm gonna go heat up my minute rice. Okay, we're back with the rice. Gonna plop that down. Ooh, that's pretty good. Make this a little bit fancy. Make it like a bowl. And we'll take our spicy poke. Place it right there in the middle. And then garnish with the green onions. You don't need the green onions, but it makes it look nice. And lastly, a dash of the soy sauce. Make it look real fancy up in here. And there you have it, the finished product. All right, it is time to taste test. Want some? Done it again. Absolutely delicious. If you want to try it for yourself because you caught your ahi tuna yourself like I did, or you bought some from the store and you just want to try making your own spicy poke, I will leave the ingredients that I used in the description. Please, if you try it, let me know what you think. Super simple recipe. I found it online, I forget which website, but most of them are pretty standard. A few differences here and there. But thanks for watching. And make sure to like and subscribe to Average Bros for more outdoor adventure videos. And check us out on Instagram too. See you guys next time. Mahalo for watching.